Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. I'm Noreen Burke, and if you are new to my channel, today is not going to be a normal video. I have missed you guys so much, so I'm catching up, letting you know what's been going on, letting you know what's coming up. So be sure if you are a new viewer to check back in the future or one of my older videos for normal content. But today is for my regular subscribers and friends who just want to know what's been going on. Let's get started. You guys, what a whirlwind. I think it's been about 3 weeks since I last posted a video, but I haven't recorded in a month. The last video I put up, I had recorded ahead of time because I got to go on a amazing once-in-a-lifetime vacation with my dad, his wife, some very good friends of theirs, and my kids. And I can't even describe to you just what kind of a trip this was. So we got to go to Spain and see family. That's where my dad is from. He got to show his granddaughters some of the amazing places that he grew up in and experiences he had. And it truly was an amazing trip. We were gone for 2 weeks, which felt like a really long time, jet setting all through the northern parts of Spain, but it was fantastic. And then we got to come back and I got to go to my baby cousin's wedding and be a part of that. And that was just an amazing destination experience in Arizona in the beautiful mountains. She was a gorgeous bride and I got to be around some people that I genuinely love and care about. So that has all been whirlwind, big time occupying things, and I have missed you guys as a result of it. So I just wanted to kind of catch you up on that and see what kind of things you want to see, because my mind has been going crazy with ideas. One of the things that I've been working on is a video showing you different ways to fold. And that probably sounds ridiculous because we've been doing laundry all of our lives. Of course, you know how to fold, but I want to show you some different ways to fold to maximize storage and maybe some techniques that you haven't looked at before, or maybe some ideas that you just hadn't thought of. So that's coming up. That's a video I'm definitely working on. Some other things that I want to work on though, if you haven't watched some of the previous videos, I had found this amazing curbside treasure and I would really like to share what I do with this. So if you're interested, let me know in the comments below. But some other things that I'm working on, and I want to make sure they are of interest to you, is I want to show you some of the amazing things that you guys, my viewers, have done from videos that I have made. So I've been collecting things that you've done from an idea that I had, or maybe you duped it exactly. I've been working on a compilation for that, and I'm really excited to show you what you have done. And I've also been working on some more of those hack videos. I love finding those time-saving ideas that will change the way you're doing things, maybe make it easier, more efficient, maybe combine some ideas and allow you to get rid of some things. So hack video, this is probably number 4 or 5 that I've done, is coming up. And even though I've done a few of these already, I love going to IKEA. It's one of my favorite destination places, and I always like sharing not only what new things they have, but different ways to look at ways to use what they have. So that's another one that I've got in the works. And if you like those ideas, please let me know. The last thing I want to do is put out a video of something that you've already seen or are tired of. So please let me know. And then I want to make sure that I'm still bringing plenty of content on different organizing ideas, ways to handle your craft supplies. But if you have something specific, if you've seen a project or you've seen an idea that you love, for maybe a product and you're thinking, gosh, that's just out of my budget, maybe Noreen can come up with a way to dupe it in an affordable way. Send me those ideas. I know you can't post pictures in the YouTube comments, but you can go to my Facebook support page and that link is down in the description below, or you can email me. And oh, I'm going to catch up on my emails. There's so many for me to catch up on. but I will catch up on them. So either one of those places, you can post pictures of things that you'd like to dupe or ways to figure out how to get something similar, and I would love the challenge of coming up with ways to match it for you in an affordable way. Something else, this isn't probably the proper place to share this, but I'm over the moon excited and happy right now. I've got some things happening in my life, and I don't want to completely rat it out yet because I don't want to jinx it, but suffice to say, I've had something come into my life recently that has just got me giddy, stupid happy. So I'll be talking more about that as time goes on. I want to make sure that I'm fully in the moment, enjoying every part of it, but you're going to notice my videos have a much more positive and happy vibe to them, even though I think I've always tried to bring that positivity to you. I think right now to try and not acknowledge that something new has come in that's just got me kind of glowing happy. I think you'd be able to see it anyway, so I just want to go ahead and address and acknowledge and hopefully share exactly what that is in the next coming weeks or months. So if you have any questions about what's going on, go ahead and leave me a comment or email me. You guys know how much I love interacting with you. And I'm going to say it one more time. I really did miss you. So many of you had reached out over email and text and Facebook about where are you, what's going on, and I really appreciated you checking in with me, but everything right now is great. So it's all been really good things that have pulled me away from you. I'm so glad to be back home. I'm glad to be getting back into the rhythm of my normal things. So hopefully these ideas that I've chatted with you about what's coming up, all appeal to you. And I'll look forward to reading in the comments which ones are your favorites or which ones I didn't mention that you would like to see. So I will see you guys in just a few days with that video about folding, so be ready for that one, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you some new techniques that you didn't know about. I love you guys so much. As always, a huge, huge thank you to my patrons who allow me to make these videos and allow me to get closer to that RV dream I have of driving around, coming to see you, and helping you organize those most difficult areas in your home, and then getting to see your areas and learn about where you live. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.
En caso de emergencia, siga la senda luminosa hacia la salida más próxima.